ASUS Zenbook 140 OLED. Processor: Intel Core i5-1340p 1.9 GHz, 12 MB cache, up to 4.6 GHz, 12 cores, 16 threads. Storage 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Memory 8 GB LPDDR5 Onboard, 1 extra slot available. Graphics: Intel Iris Xe graphics. 14 inches 2.8K OLED convertible laptop. 1610, 2.8K, 2880 by 1800, high resolution, OLED Nano Edge touchscreen, 0.2 milliseconds response time, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, up to 550 nits peak brightness. Camera: FHD camera with IR function to support Windows Hello. Zenbook 14 Flip OLED is packed with all the I/O ports you need for easy connectivity to your devices and peripherals. The ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports support fast charging, 4K UHD external displays and up to 40 gigabits per second 8 data transfers. There's also a HDMI 2.1, TMDS, along with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. Communications and audio I/O are taken care of by the convenient audio combo jack. ASUS ErgoSense keyboard: comfortable typing experience. Your comfort is our highest priority. That's why the ASUS ErgoSense keyboard has an incredibly satisfying feel, with the optimum key bounce and travel calculated with fine-tuned precision. Experience the ErgoSense keyboard and you'll soon find yourself cruising effortlessly through your work. Ultra-smooth touchpad: the hydrophobic coating applied to the ErgoSense touchpad has a high water contact angle. This means the nanotech-like surface provides smoother feedback for every scrolling movement. It's like touching silk. 360 degrees ergo lift hinge. Audio smart amp technology: built-in speaker, built-in array microphone, Harman Kardon Premium, with Cortana voice recognition support. Network and communication: Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11 AX, dual band, 2.2 plus Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card. * Bluetooth version may change with OS version different. Battery 75 Wh, 2S2P, 4-cell Li-ion.